What's up, YouTube? This Newson lawn care. Oops, excuse me. Back at you. I gotta turn off my headphones because I got my music in the headphones playing. But hey, I'm doing this quick video real quick to give you an update on one of my clients' houses that I've been doing for the last year and a half. I'm trying to bring her yard back. I told you it got burnt up from the front to the back. So I've been babying the front so far. It looks pretty decent. I have to start on the back, you know, turning the dirt over, reseeding it and everything from bare dirt. I am going to today, because I just got finished cutting the front, didn't really have to do nothing to the back. The side yard and the backyard, I'm gonna respray again with Roundup. This is like 2 days before 4th of July, probably late August, early September. I'm gonna turn the dirt over, but at least I get at least a month of the Roundup down again. I sprayed it earlier in March. I just didn't turn the ground over because I was conflicted of putting down sod or not. But my client really doesn't have money for side, so I'm gonna reseed it just like I did the front. I'm gonna let you see the front. You should have seen it in the other videos, but I'm gonna let you see it now. Give me a second. Here go the front yard. So you'll see a little bit of weeds here and there, but it was burnt. I mean, burnt. Yeah. You look at my Instagram, I did do our bushes about 2 or 3 weeks ago before we got all this rain in Chicago. And yeah, then there go the ease way. I still got a few holes I got to patch in. About 3 weeks ago, I put down Scott's patch. I think it's I forgot the name of it, but it's made by Scott. Jake, the lawn care kid, and Alan Hay had told us or told me about it, and then other videos I follow. So I use it. It do work. You see, we had about 2 or 3 weeks of heavy rain, and you see it's starting to fill in. So my client didn't really have to water too much. But you'll see right here is pretty much where the new grass stop at. So I gotta spray all this again with Roundup all the way to the back. I was gonna sod it, but it'll be easier for me to seed it. But yeah, I'm gonna spray today. Spray it again. You can see how majority of the stuff was dead, but all that rain probably brought it back. I gotta spray all that. Spray down there. And spray down there. So yes, this has been a pretty big project. If I had a little bit more manpower, I should have went a little quicker, but I wasn't really pushing to get it over and done with because I knew the price of sod and the price of labor was gonna be really up there, and my client really couldn't afford it. So it's been just a slow process, but she's been getting happier and happier since the summer months been going along. Seeing her grass is starting to come back in the front. She's just ready for the side and the back to be done. So I'll holler at y'all. See you.